Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to schedule your post on Facebook group, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how to schedule your post on Facebook group very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups and then click on your groups. After that, scroll down and here you can see groups you manage. Here your all groups will appear. You can select the group in which you want to schedule your post. For example, I click on first group and then here scroll down and you can see write something. Click on it and you can type here anything and post. You can see here post button, schedule button. You can click on it, schedule, and then click on it, this button. So here you can select the time and the date on which you want to schedule your post. For example, I want to schedule this post today and I want to change the time. Then click on time and for example, I want to select this time. So click on OK and then click on schedule on top right corner. So guys, you can see our post has been scheduled. So guys, in this way you can schedule your post on Facebook group very easily. Guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.